Standard 7th Maths, Chapter 5, Operation on Rational Number, Practice Set 24. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. So now see, we have to write this in decimal form. So to write this in decimal form, we have to do division. So how we will do division? Division कैसे किया जाता है? 13/4. So that means yeah, this is the dividend and denominator is the divisor, and then simply you have to do division. For example, 4 and the 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16 हो जाएगा. We cannot take 16, so 4 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 1. Okay, so we have to do further division. So decimal ले लेंगे. Once we take decimal, एक बार हमने decimal ले लिया, so we can take 0. What is the help of decimal? We can take 0 in further division. आगे के division करने के लिए हम 0 ले सकते हैं. So now 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So because we have taken decimal, we can take 0. Then 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. Okay, so that means ये division over हो गया. Okay, so answer to this number is, so our question was 13/4. So solution हुआ 3.25. So next sum, second sums. Minus 7/8. So this is the dividend, minus 7/8. So here minus 7, okay, divide by 8. Now 7 is not divisible by 8. So first step will be 8 zeros are 8. Then this 7 will, now see this minus we will carry afterward. Now let's go with 7. ये जो माइनस है वो हम लास्ट में फाइनली आंसर में दे देंगे. एक्चुअली यहाँ से हटा के यहाँ देना चाहिए. सो नाउ डेसिमल, सो यह 0 विल कम. सो नाउ 7 इन 7 टेबल्स, नहीं सॉरी 8 8 1 8 8 5 48 6 48 8 7 8 8 64. So 8 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. Correct. So now 6. So again we will take decimal 0 because we have taken decimal. Now then 8 7s are 56. So 60 minus 56 is 4. 4. Okay. So then after this again we can take decimal. Now almost कभी भी ना division at least 3 या 4 digit तक जाना चाहिए. So 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So our division is over here. So that means answer to this question is minus 7/8 is equals to 0.875. Okay, this is the answer. Now let's see. Now third sums, 7 3/5. So now see 7 3/5. So this 3/5 is already in decimal. मतलब ये ना 7.3/5 हुआ. So we will solve only this. ये जो डेसिमल है ना इसी को सॉल्व करेंगे बिकॉज 7 डेसिमल के बाद आंसर है. सो 5 0 0 3 डेसिमल, सो 0 5 6 30. सो दैट मीन्स 3/5 जो है उसका आंसर 0.6 आया. तो ये जो 0 है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 7. So our answer is 7.6. So therefore 7/3/5 is equals to 7.6. This is the answer. Okay. Now next sums, fourth one. So simply you have to do 12 divided by 5. So 0, 12 zeros are 0, 5, then decimal. 12, we can take 0, so that means 12. 12 fours are 48, so 2 remaining. So we can take 0, that means 12 ones are 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. Then again 0 we can take. Then 12 6 are 72. So after subtraction again 8. Correct. सो देखो अभी यहाँ पे 8 बचा था, वापस 8 आया, यानी अभी 8 8 8 8 रिपीट होते जाएगा. सी 12 6 are 72. सो अगेन सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, सो यू विल गेट 8. सो दैट मीन्स यू विल गो ऑन रिपीटिंग. सो ये जो 6 है वो रिकरिंग में मिला. सो रिकरिंग मीन्स ये 6 रिपीट होते जाएगा. सो आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन 5/12 इज इक्वल्स टू 0.4166 के ऊपर डॉट दिखा देंगे कि दिस इज 6 इज गोइंग टू बी रिपीटेड. द आंसर इज रिकरिंग. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन 22/7. सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स डिवाइड 22/7. So 7 3s are 21. After subtraction 1 remains, so decimal. So here 0. 7 1s are 7. After subtraction 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. क्योंकि डेसिमल लिया है 0 ले सकते. Then 7 7 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28. So 30 minus 28, 2 remaining. Okay. So now again we will take 0. Now 7 2s are 14, क्योंकि 3s is 21. So 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 20 में से 14 निकालेंगे 6. Then again we will take 0. So 7 8s are 56. So 60 minus 56 is 4. Okay. Now that means 40. So 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. Then 0. 7 7s are 49. 1 remaining. So यहाँ पे 1 आ गया. इफ़ यू सी, देखो यहाँ स्टार्टिंग में भी 1 आया था. स्टार्टिंग जब किए थे तभी हमको रिमेनिंग 1 आया था. यहाँ पर फिर से रिमेनिंग 1 आ गया. सो दैट मीन्स दिस मच डिवीजन इज़ गोइंग टू रिपीट अगेन. यानी ये जो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिवीजन फिर से रिपीट हो जाएगा. सो आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, solution for this question is what we got 3 decimal 1 4 2 8 5 7. So 3 decimal 1 2 1 4 2 8 5 decimal bar. So this is the answer. So 4/3, 6 sums. So solution 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Then decimal 0. 3 3s are 9. Then 1. See 1 आया. That means this is going to repeat again and again. ये repeat होते जाएगा. So answer to this question is 1.3 this bar. यहाँ पे we will show a dot which symbolize that the answer is recurring. Okay, this is the answer. Now next sum, 7/9. So 7 divided by 9. 7 is the smaller number, we have to start with 0. 9 zeros are 0 upon 7, then decimal. So here 0. Now 9 sevens are 63. Then again 7. See, again 7 is going to repeat. 7 बार बार repeat होते जाएगा. 9 sevens are 63. So again 7 remaining. So that means answer to this question 7/9 is 0.7 recurring. Okay, this is the answer.